Well, anyway, it's supposed to be spring. I'll see that happening right now. There's a bird up there talking to me. He's saying, "Hey, how do you like this snow?" And yeah, I just don't need to fall again because, oh my God, this is ridiculous. Oh my God, this is freaking unbelievable. Wow. And I thought I was getting out. Look at that. We're talking probably a 5-foot drift. Mother Nature has a sense of humor, doesn't she? Yeah, this is bullpucky. Well, good luck getting out today, boys. That's not gonna happen. I put my motorcycle away last night about 5:30. And look at how high that drift is. Not good, boys. Mother Nature must be drinking again. Look at that snow on that car. This is ridiculous. It's supposed to be spring, for crying out Friday. Mother Nature, you can kiss my ass. What? Well, good God, this is bullpucky, Bill. My God, this is crazy. I know. Don't be swearing. It's bullpucky. Good luck. You're not getting out. You're not getting out. There's no way. I'm not getting out either.